it's not quite as good because it's bigger, you know?
Yeah,
I'll go ahead and demo to that one anyhow.
yeah. Yeah, Chris needs a video of that so we can put it on the website. Oh, that is slick. Well, I can see
You know, I
Chris going
saw
home and
those
ordering
things,
that.
and I figured, well, you gotta, it's on the ground making the noise, and the
Yeah.
plane's up in the air. But
Yeah.
this is in the plane.
Yeah.
Well, what? Wait, it sounds better in the air, but I'll at least show you how this is.
Oh, you want to do the guns?
Yeah.
Okay. You recording, Chris?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's gonna try the guns now.
Airplane.
Airplane 4. He's getting so old, the airplane has to tell him which one it is.
Yeah, I had him believing that's all it was. Okay, we'll start it up.